In the previous video, we explored the joystick module in detail, discussing its functionality and various applications. We learned how to integrate the joystick into our projects, examining its components and how it communicates with microcontrollers. In today's video, we're embarking on another exciting project where we'll demonstrate how to use a joystick to control either a servo or a stepper motor. We'll guide you through the setup process, explaining the connections and code needed to achieve smooth, responsive control. So without waiting, let's begin. Let's start by reviewing the essential components required to successfully complete this project. We can use a stepper motor or a servo motor, but for this project, I'll go with the stepper. In addition, we will need a microcontroller, the joystick module, and some jumper wires. Now we can start the assembling. To start, let's connect the stepper motor driver pins to the Arduino. I'll use the pins 8, 9, 10, and 11 of Arduino to control my stepper motor. Next step is to connect the 5-volt and ground pins. You can also use this picture for a more clearer demonstration of the pin connections. Now it's time to connect the joystick module to the Arduino. We covered the pin connections in the previous video, so I won't be going over them again. However, if you haven't watched that video, feel free to use this photo for reference. Once the connections are established, we can proceed to write the code for this circuit. The code for this project is quite simple. We just need to read the value of the x-axis from the joystick and use some if statements to determine whether to move the stepper motor left or right. If you're unsure how to use a stepper motor, you can also check out my video on that topic for more information. As you can see here, we have 6 if statements, 3 for moving the stepper motor to the right and 3 for moving it to the left. We have 3 statements because the motor's movement speed will depend on how far the joystick is shifted to the left or right. Also, always make a small delay at the end of your program. Now that everything is set, we can upload the code and see our results. I add this piece of card so we can see the movements more easily. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos.